take you through the campsite and show you the different camps. There is one other occupied, so I'll not go too close to that. And the pricing that I'll put up on the screen is per night, and it's based on 2 people. The prices do increase incrementally, but not the full amount if you do add people to it. So there is a slight price adjustment up to the maximum people of what the Hipcamp site says. So yeah, I'll take you for a walk and show you what's available. Very easy to locate, so as you come through the gate, it's well signposted. Camps 1 to 4 to the left, 5 to 8 to the right. What we're looking at there is site 1, then you've got site 2, site 3 just behind the tree, and site 4 where that car is, and then up that way is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Site 5 is like a 2-level approach, so you'd probably put your caravan tent or whatever you're camping in up there, and then your fire pit is just down there. So this one we're approaching here is site 6, and our group originally booked sites 5, 6, 7 and 8, but when we got here the sites are pretty big, and site 8 is probably your biggest, and it's also the one at the end, so you're not leaving access for other campers. So we decided to all jump on there. So currently there's 3, and we might be joined by a 4th today. But this one's 6, and this one's 7, where we should have been actually. But we're just there where that white patrol is. There, you're very close to the creek. There is actually water in it, but it is seasonal and will depend on rainfall. But yeah, you've got the sound of frogs and running water, and there is some deeper parts for the warmer months to go and sit in. This is site 8, so we've got us, camping friends, and then camping friends behind that, and then this white ute is full of firewood.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found you, you could see right through me, pull me from the darkness, save me from the start. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart, I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart, let us show. 춤을 추며 노래를 do whatever I like, because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐, 난 돌아가지 않아. 공허했었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야. 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart, I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious, glorious.
decided to make a damper last minute decision. Nothing to put inside it, so I'm going to try these. I'll bring you back when it's done so you can have a look. Just a small one as a tester. First time I've done it this way, but let's see how that turns out. Thank you, kind gate person. Come on, you chickens!